woke up around 4:30. I prayed and thanked God for a new day. Drank a cup of water, washed my face, sprayed on my mist, and put on my Lipserum. So that's the only thing I have on right now. So let's see how far it will go. 5, 6 rounds, I guess. That's my son right there. He's running with me. So he's accompanying me this morning while we do our morning run and walk. All sweaty, but good. So I'll be traveling around with the picture. Samahan niyo ako. Hi guys, mga momshies, mga beshies, mga besties, pati na rin sa mga daddies out there. This is your Beashtiemomshiesue and welcome back to my channel. So earlier, as you can see dun sa video, I did a morning jog kaninang 4:30 together with my son kasi we try to stay healthy, to have an active lifestyle, I mean, be active. Kahit man lang makapag-exercise around 1 to 2 hours every weekend, or at least 30 minutes, actually 15 to 30 minutes every other week. Kasi syempre kailangan natin maging healthy sa panahon ngayon, diba? So hopefully kayo ay healthy din. You're all okay kahit na tayo ay naka-lockdown o naka-GCQ. I believe yung ibang yung ibang lugar is naka-MECQ na, right? So hopefully naman the next couple of months maging okay na naman tayong lahat, diba? Kumunti na yung cases ng COVID. Anyway, right, so I will be talking about in this video a antitoxin lip serum na na-discover ko that I want to share with you. Kasi ako yung taong parating nagto-chap ang lips. And this lip serum, also called as your lip gloss, lip balm, or yung effect niya is parang naglagay ka ng petroleum jelly. It's super effective sa akin. And I wanted to share with you. Kasi sabi ko nga, I've suffered I've had this issue ever since bata ako na basta malamig na or ang tawag ito pag windy or yung time na syempre minsan sinasali-sali ka sa mga Reyna Elena ng mga panahon mo, diba? Ganyan. Or yung sort na nag-lipstick ka na wala na, chapped na yung lips mo. So ito, after so many years, ngayon lang ako nakadiscover na effective sa akin. Alright, but before we go into more details, I want you to hit the subscribe button below. Okay? Nahit na na? Okay. Di na. Alright. Thank you so much. Also, I would like to take this opportunity to thank everyone who has liked and viewed my video, my very first vlog about the simple makeup look that is less than 6 minutes to do. Nakaka-overwhelm yung mga feedback and yung mga well wishes na na-receive ko. Actually, parang mas madami pa yata yung mga DMs na na-receive ko kesa dun sa nakita kong nag-view ng video ko. Pero anyway, I promoted it kasi also sa Facebook page ko at saka sa Instagram. Now, I also would want to address yung mga momshies natin out there who apologize for not commenting on my video itself. Okay lang po yun. During the course of the conversation, I learned the reason na kaya daw hindi sila nag-comment sa video is because of the stigma or the fear of being criticized or being judged because they like a makeup routine or a makeup product, yung ganun. Kasi ako na-experience ko to, being a mom of 3, yung bang basta nilike mo, kasi syempre diba naglalike ka ng videos, naglalike ka ng post, kasi diba it's either nagustuhan mo siya or may bala kang itry, for your wellness naman. It's not something that could hurt anyone. It's just for you, para naman maging maayos ka, may maganda ka. Pero ang dami kasi nagko-comment. Na sinabi rin sa akin sa personal message na, nanay ka na. Bakit bumibili ka pa ng ganyan? Bumili ka na lang ng mga bagay para sa anak mo. I mean, there's nothing wrong. Of course, syempre diba, as a mother, talagang unahin mo naman talaga yung family mo and your kids. And I'm pretty sure, tayong mga mommies, we do that. Pero yun nga, after my third kid kasi, ako kasi yung parang medyo nagkaroon na ng issue when it comes to pag-aayos ng sarili. And most of the momshies, my friend momshies, pati kahit mga single friends ko, told me na hindi naman porket mommy ka, hindi ka na mag-aayos. Mag-ayos ka naman, besh. Ginaganon ako. So, I'm a work in progress now. Nag-aayos na ako. And that's something that I'm sharing with all of you then. Alright? Kasi yun naman talaga yung reason ko why I started this vlog. Kasi kung may cooking hacks, kung may life hacks, ako naman, I'll be sharing yung mommy hacks ko. And yes, I know some of these hacks, alam na ng mga momshies natin out there. Pero kasi marami rin naman, I've noticed and I've learned, na hindi pa nila alam yung iba. Or siguro alam nila, pero hindi nila alam kung talaga bang effective kasi hindi pa nila natatry. Or maybe sinesearch nila, tapos wala silang makita. So, kaya ako nandito. Kasi, I'll be sharing with you mommy hacks, tipid hacks, mga ganyan. Products na nakakapagpaganda sa ating mga mommies. Hindi naman tayo mukhang lotion kasi nasabihan na akong lotion before. Dahil nga, parang hindi na ako nakakapag-ayos. Ayoko maranasan nyo yun. At kung naranasan nyo ngayon, baguhin natin mga momshies. Pretty tayo, girl power, Spice Girls. Pero yun nga, these hacks that I'll be sharing with you are momshi hacks. These are hacks na I find effective o nagawa ko na. At kung hindi man effective, i-share ko pa rin sa inyo yung ginawa ko at anong naging result. To help you out din. Malay nyo sa inyo, effective, diba? Kahit sa akin, hindi. Kasi, like beauty products, hiyangan lang din kasi yan, diba? Or, you can also share your own mommy hacks, momshi hacks, or besties hack. Kasi syempre ito namang hacks na to, pwede naman siya, lalo yung mga tipid hacks. Hindi lang naman para sa ating momshies out there. Naku, ang dami ko kayang kilalang mga besties natin dyan na napaka-thrifty. Thrifty. Ganun. Hindi naman sila kuripot. Syempre, nagpa-budget din lang din naman sila, parang tayo din. Diba? So, yun. So, um, yun yung main goal ko, why I started vlogging, is for everyone to know these tips na binigay sa akin or sinuggest sa akin na ginagawa ko rin, I find effective. Diba? Sharing is caring. So, kumbaga. So, I'm sharing this with you. So now, as a part of my sharing, I'll be sharing with you itong, let's see there, Lipserum. This is from Eliteskincosmetics. I was able to buy this online. I ordered this online. This is not sponsored, by the way. Pero kasi, nakita ko siya na sabi, it will prevent chapped lips. Ako naman, si Billy, simply because I'm looking for a good product na hindi talaga matcha-chap yung lips ko. Kasi, alam mo yun, yung bang, hindi na nga ako masyadong nag-makeup. Kitang-kita pa ba sa lips? Nagbabakbak, di ba? Parang ayaw naman natin yun. Tsaka issue ko na talaga yun nung magmula nung bata ako. So, when I saw this, sabi ko, sige, I'll give it a go. Let's see. Anyway, sabi ko nga, it's just 130 pesos. Yep, it's 130 pesos. Mas mura pa siya sa mga ibang lip brand na claiming na your lips won't get bakbak, you won't get chapped. This one is super effective kasi although matatanggal siya, syempre pag uminom ka, pag kumain ka na, pero yung effect niya will last the whole day. How was I able to see it? Kasi tinry ko naman talaga siya. So, hindi ko naman siya recommend pag hindi. Imagine, after lunch kasi, normally with other lip glosses or lip serums, nagpabakak na siya. Mga ganyan-ganyan ko na siya. Alam mo aminin mo, pag nag-dry din yung lips mo, mga ganyan-ganyan, ginagana mo siya, diba? Kasi parang we try to remove yung mga skin na, yung mga dry skin, yung mga skin na natatanggal, yung mga gano'n natin, diba? Yung mga kinukut-kut pang gano'n. Pero ito, after lunch, wala nang ganun mas. Wala nang paggangat-gangat. As in, pero wala na. I only have like smooth lips. Tapos, kissable, kissable lips, kumbaga, soft kissable lips. So, ito kasi yung lips ko, since naglagay na ako kanina, dahil before ako mag-morning jog, since naligo na ako, so ilalagay pa rin natin siya para makita nyo. Pero look, wala na siyang, hindi na binasa ko, pero medyo pinkish na siya. So, we're gonna try it on para makita nyo rin. So, as I mentioned nga, yun nga, so ito na yung lips ko kasi naglagay na ako kanina. Pero, lalagyan natin siya ulit. Again, hindi po to lipstick tutorial on how to put on your lip gloss properly. So, ito lang po is me putting on the lip serum and how I want to put it. So, ayan po siya. Parang naglagay ng lip gloss. It feels like a lip gloss. It kind of looks like a lip gloss. It doesn't have any bitter taste. Medyo cosmetic pa rin yung lasa niya and amoy niya, but it's tolerable for those who are sensitive when it comes to yung amoy ng mga lipsticks, ganyan, or lip gloss. Tolerable naman po siya. Hindi naman po siya lasang kung ano, kasi 'di ba yung iba po pangit yung lasa. Siya po hindi. Nope. And also, hindi po siya mahapdi sa lips. Because some of the lip glosses, lip serum, minsan humahapdi yung lips. This one, it doesn't have that effect. Also, napaka-lightweight din po niya. Okay? And ito, pwede mo siyang magamit everyday. Yun yung gusto ko sa kanya. Aside from the fact that your lips won't chap, at kahit pa wala man siya or matanggal man siya, yung effect niya will still last. You will still have smooth, kissable lips, kumbaga. So that's what I really like about this product. So I highly recommend this for you to buy this. I will be putting the link of Elite Skin Cosmetics on the on the description box below para at least alam nyo kung where to look for the description or look for more information about this product. Also, if you decide na bibili kayo, then nandun na rin siya. You can speak with their lovely distributors and resellers to help you out. So yun, so I highly recommend this. Kasi nga, after so many years of looking for a product that would really give or yung talagang effective siya. Ngayon pa lang ako nakita ng product na hindi na nag-chop yung lips ko. So for those momshies out there, besties na may issues sa lips nila na parating nagbabakbak, ito na yung solusyon. So hopefully kayo din ay maging hiyang dito. Again, this is not sponsored. Alright, baka naman. Charot! Hindi po siya sponsored. I'm just recommending it because it's very effective and it's affordable. Hindi sasakit ang bulsa. Alright? Also, when it comes to this lip serum, what else can I say? Since ako nga yung type na won't go out naman ng full makeup, as you can see, lipstick na, kumbaga sabi nga na lip gloss lang pwede na. So, maganda yung effect niya sa look mo, sa overall look mo. Although, syempre, pag lumabas tayo, hindi naman nakikita yung lips kasi nga naka-mask. Pero, for everyday beauty regimen, you can use this lip serum. I really highly recommend this for you. All right. So, this product also claims na organic daw siya, natural, and pwede daw sa lips ng mga kids. So, let's see. Although, hindi naman kailangan ng lipstick ng, or lip gloss or lip serum ng daughter ko. So, you will put some. Let's try it on her. Wait. Nakaka-refer ako. So there. So that's the effect on her lips. And on the background, you can hear my youngest. So, kain na daw si ate niya. So, because I'm vlogging here. So, ayan. So, being a mommy vlogger, ganun talaga. So, mga kasama sa vlog mo, ang mga kids mo, kasi hindi pwedeng hindi sila sisingit. Alright? So, this is the effect of the serum on her lips. Yan, naging pink din siya. Although kanina naman, medyo light pink na naman ang kanyang lips. Pero medyo mas naging pink pa siya. May lasa ba? May pangit bang lasa? Wala. Which is nice.
Pero nakikita.
May kiliti lang daw siya sa applicator. So, there. So, earlier, during my jog, I also said na aside from my lip serum, I also sprayed on my facial mist. So, I use this Elite Skin Glow Mist. This is in aloe vera, and this is just 180 pesos. It is not sponsored. Again, not sponsored. But the reason why I'm sharing this also with you is because it's effective when it comes to what they claim na nakakapag-minimize ng pores. And it does. Alright? So, what's nice about this is that it gives you that sun-kissed glow. Ganyan. Or that glow na hindi naman super shiny, pero yung kala mo ang soft ng skin mo, soft, yeah, soft na skin mo. So, that's the effect. Aside from, yun nga, nakapag-minimize ng pores, magandang effect niya sa skin mo. Now, it also claims that you can use it as a primer. Yung iba naman as a setting spray after you put on makeup. I haven't tried that yet. So, once na nag-makeup na ako, I'll try this as a setting spray and I'll give you feedback doon. Kung okay ba siya, did my makeup last long because of it? So, yon. Pero as of the moment, what I'm using is that ito lang and then my lip serum after akong magkilamos or maligo. And so far, it's effective for me. And I also would want to for you to try them. Kasi sabi ko nga, medyo sensitive yung skin ko o maarte ang skin ko pang mayaman. Charot, hindi. Meron lang talaga maarte yung skin. Yung parang kahit anong ilagay mo, hindi talaga umi-effect. And these two, I find it really effective. Promise. Like, sabi ko nga, I've always had chapped lips. And this one, the lip serum, helped me a lot. Hindi na siya talaga nag-chap. Promise. And then, may promise talaga. Hindi ba dida yung pic? Sorry for those na medyo bata pa. I'm not sure if you know her. But anyway, so yeah. The lip serum helped me a lot. And then the glowness for my skin. And then I'm good. This is the only two products that I use every day. When I wake up, ganyan, all throughout the day, or pag may pupuntahan lang. Especially kung hindi naman ko talaga, kung hindi ko naman talaga kailangan mag-makeup. Especially na, syempre, nag-face mask tayo, di ba? So, medyo hindi naman siya kita. Pero if you're talking about taking care of your skin every day, getting that youthful glow and that soft kissable lips, you should try these two. And again, ilalagay ko po yung link ng Elite Skin Cosmetics on the description box below, and they will help you and they will direct you dun sa mga lovely distributors nila in your area para maka-order kayo. Again, they're not sponsored, alright? I'm not sponsored. But these two are affordable and effective. The lip serum is 130 pesos and 180 pesos for the glow mist. All right, so there. So that's my video for today. I hope you like it. I hope you are informed, and I hope you get to try them both. As I mentioned, ang tagal ko nang naghintay at naghanap, umasa, pero nabigo. Char, may hugot. I mean, now I've finally found an effective facial mist and an effective lip serum for my lips. And I'm sharing this with you to hopefully help you then solve your lips and face problems. So, again, this is your Beashtiemomshiesue and na nagsasabing, stay safe, stay healthy, and God bless. Bye-bye!